Hey guys, I was just sitting here taking a break from a class I was doing. I thought, I need to show you guys my tire chalk wheel lock things that I just bought. So anyway, let's roll the intro and then I'll meet you outside and show you what I got. Yeah, whenever you're parking your RV or, getting to a site, you can use the chocks under the wheels, or you can get these wheel locks that actually do the same thing, but they help lock the wheel. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So basically, guys, here are the new wheel locks that I got. These actually spread against the tires, so in addition to chalking your wheels, it keeps somebody from potentially being able to back up if you're going to be driving around and leaving your campsite, from being able to just back up to your rig and take off with it. These are real easy to use. You undo this lock. All there is a bolt, kind of like this, on the bottom. And it comes with a little ratchet, and you can hand spread out these chalks against the tire, and then you just tighten that bolt. It pushes pressure against both of these against the tires, and then you have a little cover you can see right here, just locks over that bolt so you can't get to it, and then you have a little padlock that you put on it. And it comes in a kit of 2. You can put one on each side, and they work real well. Now, I'm not sponsored by anybody. I don't push products on it. It's just something kind of neat that I got that wanted to share with you guys. Also, don't forget to click subscribe if you want to keep following us, or if you want to watch one of the other videos. I have one on gas grilling and, some other different videos I did. So stay tuned into the channel, and if you want to watch other videos, check these out. We love having you, and thanks a lot. Have a good day.